Hey, what's up guys? Some people think YouTube makes you rich overnight. Well, here's the truth. Your 1,000 views could make you $5 or just 0.25 cents. And no, YouTube doesn't pay everyone the same. So if you're uploading videos thinking you'll get a fat paycheck from your first 1,000 views, you might be in for a rude awakening. But don't worry, in this video, I'm breaking it all down, exactly how much YouTube pays per 1,000 views and why your earnings might be way higher or way lower than other creators. Welcome back to Tutorial Masterclass, your go-to place for YouTube tips and growth secrets. If you want to learn how to grow your channel, make more money, and master the YouTube game, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below telling me your current subscriber count so we can see your progress over time. Step 1. First, let's make one thing clear. YouTube pays you through ad revenue, and that money comes from advertisers who pay YouTube to put ads on videos. YouTube keeps 45% of that ad money and gives you 55%. The amount you earn per 1,000 views is called CPM, cost per mile. But here's the twist. CPM is not what you actually take home. What you get after YouTube's cut is called RPM, revenue per mile, and this is the number you should care about. Step 2. Why CPM and RPM are different for everyone. So, why do some people get $10 RPM while others barely hit $1? It's all about your niche, audience location, and watch time. For example, a channel about finance might have advertisers paying big bucks, so their CPM is high. A gaming channel might have a younger audience, so advertisers pay less. If your audience is mostly in the US, UK, Canada, or Australia, you'll earn more. But if most viewers are in countries with lower ad rates, your earnings per 1,000 views will be smaller. Two channels can get the exact same views, but one could earn 10 times more just because of these factors. Step 3. Real numbers and examples. All right, let's look at real examples. A finance YouTuber might earn $12 CPM, about $6.60 RPM after YouTube's cut. A tech reviewer might earn $8 CPM, around $4.40 RPM. A lifestyle vlogger might earn $3 CPM, about $1.65 RPM. That means for every 1,000 views, finance channel, $6.60. Tech channel, $4.40. Lifestyle vlog, $1.65. And here's the kicker. Your CPM can change month to month. During the holiday season, November, December, ad rates go up because advertisers spend more. But in January, rates drop hard, so don't panic if your revenue dips. And step 4, how to increase your earnings per 1,000 views. If you want to increase how much you earn per 1,000 views, focus on these. 1, pick a profitable niche. Finance, tech, business, and software tutorials pay more. 2, target high-paying countries. Create content that appeals to us, UK, Canada, and Australia viewers. 3, increase watch time. Longer videos equals more ad slots equals higher earnings. And 4, add multiple income streams. Don't just rely on ad revenue. Use sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and product sales. So to answer the question, how much does YouTube pay per 1,000 views? It depends. You might earn 25 cents or you might earn $15. It's all about your niche, your audience, and your strategy. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass, and drop a comment below telling me your niche and your best CPM so far. I read every single comment, and I might feature your channel in a future video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, everybody.